Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nashley, and today's video is kind of like a failed DIY, to be honest. The idea and the techniques behind what I'm doing are legit. They work, they're good. However, my execution was just not that great. I think maybe I just need to do a little bit more with it before I call it quits and buy something instead of make it. Hi guys, so I was starting to do the pendant light for the office, and I was like, oh, I probably should film this so they know how I do it, because I kind of did something very similar in my daughter's room with the yarn pendant light. So in the office, I was actually planning on a black yarn hanging light. I'm kind of drawing a little bit of inspiration from a few different pictures I've seen on Instagram, but this is I can't remember if this is a 12-inch hoop. I think it might be a 12-inch hoop. If it's not, I will put it on the thing, but essentially I'm about halfway done, and I'll show you really how I'm doing it. I don't even remember the knot. The name of the knot is like the basic knot for macrame. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna have some like beaded work. So I bought some very pretty neutral colored beads, and I think I'm just going to have them kind of like, I don't know, half rainbows on there. So I'm working on that, and so I'm using this black yarn. I got this from Amazon. I will link it down below. It's the Pendant Super Value in the color black. And I was originally not gonna go black, but I was feeling a little like daring, so I went black. It is .33 inches long. Essentially what I do is I take the string from the black yarn and I'm just pair it up, and then I just continue doing that a few times, so I have a handful at a time. Right? So I have this many. I'm just gonna start with one. Okay, I'm going to fold it evenly on here like this. Then I'm gonna place it over the hoop, and then I'm gonna take that opening. My daughter's crying, shocker. And I'm gonna take this 2 strings and feed it through that opening and tighten it. And that's one. This is day 3000 of me trying to finish my wrap. It's just never gonna be a good time, so I'm just gonna do it and try to get it done today. I have my handy dandy assistant, Kali. She is, where she moved up. She's watching some high contrast YouTube video of like fruits flying around. In the meantime, so that she's not complaining all of the time, because she is a complainer, let me tell you. She will let you know every time, all of the time. I know. So my other one is in bed attempting to sleep, and I say that very lightly. She's still rolling around. She is like, I don't understand why children are so anti-nap. Like, if I had the opportunity to take a nap, I would take the nap. Just take the nap, you know? We both like to fight the nap, especially that one. She like will cry and cry and cry. And I'm like, I know that you're sleepy. So, okay. So I'm like more than halfway done, I think. It's just a matter of doing a couple more. Looks about right. Okay. Boom. Done. Hello? These are the beads that I bought. It comes with like jute string, but I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to start here. And I'm just going to make cut the excess off. And so now it's attached onto there. And all I'm gonna do is feed the beads. Okay, this is with 2. And you know what I'm noticing is that it's kind of pushing back the yarn. I don't really like that much, so maybe I'll just keep going. I don't know. I don't know why it's pushing it back so much like that. I just was not, maybe it's just because it's too long. I don't know. Maybe I'll see it when it's up and then I can just adjust it as needed. I'm gonna continue. I think I'm missing still a few pieces of yarn, and it's probably like 2 or 3 in each, so I'm just gonna fill those in really quickly, and then I think I might be done with it. I'm gonna see how it looks like hung up. I'm definitely gonna trim it so that it's not so long and it's, you know, prettier and even on the bottom. I'm just gonna see what it looks like up there. I don't know, not like loving it. I had to make this one a little different because it's just the way it happened, but here it is. This is the lighting kit that I've been using. This is from Amazon. I believe they have it in bronze and silver. I can't be too positive. I know they have it in like that oil bronze, it's almost black, but I got it in white, and it comes with instructions. It comes with whatever that is, and some of those little thingies, and obviously that part that goes on the ceiling. It has some cables on there, and then the part with the light bulb. You know my terms. I don't really know what they're called, but this is it. I need to decide how short I want this to be.
I guess I thought I'd have it figured out by now, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how anybody else knows. Time keeps moving, I keep getting older. Fuck, where did my life go? I gave it up for something false I thought I chose. Here and now I'm waiting for a sign to tell me something I already know. It's obvious. Here and now my mind is saying what I want. It's something I already know. It's obvious. Haven't been happy in a while. I try my best to hide it with a smile.
Okay, moment of honesty, I hate it. I absolutely hate it. It looks really bad, and I'm trying to figure out if it's just the beads. So I'm going to remove the beads to see how it looks.
So you can't see it on my face. When I finally think I've said
Honestly, I'm not like a fan of the pendant light. And I don't know if it's just because it's small or because it's black. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to make it a statement piece, but it's looking real pardon my language, right? I gotta go whoosh. But I don't want to do it again. I might just buy something for it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's like a crazy wild ride. I'm still not really sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna buy something for it. I don't know. But whenever this office is completed, you will see a video on it and you will get to see what I did with the pendant light. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Hit that red button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification so that you are notified when I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.